Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete the empty rows in Excel. In order to do that, I have created a table and I have here a 10 employees list, and I have put some empty rows by myself, and in order to show how simple it is and quick to delete the rows in a simple way. Instead of selecting each row and deleting manually by selecting from menu like this or like this, selecting one more, I'm going to show you the quickest way. First of all, we're selecting the entire table, and after that from our keyboard we are pressing and hold the Control key and the G key. As you can see here, open the Go To window. We're gonna press the Special button at the very bottom left section, pressing this, and from here we're gonna select the blanks, pressing OK, and as you can see, automatically Excel has highlighted the empty rows for us in the table. And from the upper section now, we're coming to Home tab, and from here from Cells, simply selecting Delete rows, and as you can see, the empty rows has removed instantly. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.